back with another video. This time we'll be playing the Hyanka 12-inch dual 4 subwoofer. We got it's a 1400 watt sub. RMS is take that back. It's 1100 watt sub. The RMS is 550. We got a 1400 watt amp plugged up to it. Of course, we're gonna do the free air test. Y'all can see right here. We're gonna get it going. Of course, y'all know I can't just play the sound with it right now. At the end, I'm gonna put the 6.5 and the tweeter with this, so y'all can hear the sound together. Maybe y'all can hear a little bit through the phone and whatnot, the camera, and hopefully it'll be all right. All right. Of course, y'all know it's just the bass. I'm sure it don't call for 1400 watts. I'm probably not getting the whole 1400 out of the amp, but y'all get where I'm going with it. It seemed like it was kind of bottoming out at some point when I get the volume up a little bit. That's with no clipping, so I don't think, it'll probably be good. A 1400 watt will probably be good for 2 of these. Just a good budget option. Y'all know this video ain't gonna be too long because there ain't gonna be much to talk about on this. But other than that, we're gonna go and put 2 of these in the enclosure, and we're gonna see what we can get out of it. So we'll give y'all a little bit more. Yeah, I think this would probably be a good budget option for somebody wanna do low power or whatnot. Now, if you're gonna do floating hurt tricks and stuff, no, you probably won't. But it'll do what it needs to do. It ain't gonna. Now, if you put enough of them in something, you might float something, but I don't know how long. But anyway, that's neither here nor there, I don't think. But hopefully, if you get this ain't what you're trying to do. But if you're trying to do something like that. Now, like I said, this is a good everyday sub. You ain't trying to put much power. You're not trying to upgrade the electrical. This will probably work. But if you're looking to float wigs and aunts and uncles and everything of that nature, you don't need these. You need to use them links down below I got, and that way you can get some people up in the air. Because you want to float some things, I got the links down below. so you can make that happen. But this right here is the everyday sub. You know, you on your way to work, you know, you're taking your granny to the grocery store, all that. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? This is the one. Really, you could put this in grandma's car so she could listen to the blues and church music and you know what I'm saying, so forth and so on. But I would, you know what I'm saying, I would really do that to my grandma's car. That's why I was saying it. But you know, sometimes you know, older. I'm not knocking older people because we all got to get there. But you know, they want a little extra sound. This is it. You know, you want to keep it on the budget. You know, I don't think she want the Sundown and the kicker and incriminate audio and all that and so forth and audio ace and I don't think and all that. I don't think she want that. You know, this is it. You know, the budget deal. I don't know. Let me check the price on it. I often tell y'all the price, but I might tell y'all wrong. So let me go and see. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna go on Amazon. It's going slow for some reason. I think it's around $100, I believe. I can't say. Something like that. You know, this is the 12 inch. They got the 10 inch, I think, as well. And I think it's the largest they go up to is 12. I don't know if they offer reclones or nothing like that, but you know, it'll get the job done. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna play a song with let's see. I don't know. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna play this along with the 6.5s. Try to find a little something better than that. What y'all hear now is the Twitter and the 6.5, like y'all seen in the other video. That's what it is playing that you hear. So if that's what you want to pick up, all the links for all these items will be down below. For the 6.5, the component set, the 6.5 Twitter, and the crossover. You turn it on down, and the subwoofer as well. So if that's something you want to pick up, be sure to use the link down below. Support the channel. I'm definitely see y'all back in the next one. And we got the sub price. It is $89. No. 109, my bad. 109 time of the video. 89 for the 10. But I'm gonna leave the link down below. Support the channel, use the links, don't cost you anything extra. Be sure to like, subscribe, share the videos. I sure thank y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.